wonder, why does God make a way back after mistakes?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Hosea tells a painful story about broken trust, repeated mistakes, and surprising forgiveness. Let's slow down and look carefully. The people in this story kept drifting away even when love and guidance were still available. This might surprise you. The brain often repeats unhealthy emotional patterns because familiar habits can feel safer than change. Most people miss this part. Hosea keeps showing that love and restoration are still possible even after failure and disappointment. Here is the deeper layer. God keeps making a path back because healing often begins when people recognize they are still deeply loved.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Hosea shows people repeatedly making harmful choices while still being offered compassion. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Emotional distance slowly weakened trust and wisdom. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Hosea continues showing patience and mercy even during deep disappointment. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Healing often starts when people honestly recognize unhealthy patterns. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still struggle with repeated mistakes, broken trust, and emotional pain. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Forgiveness and restoration slowly help the brain rebuild emotional safety and hope.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated emotional habits slowly strengthen certain pathways. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns patterns through repetition and emotional reward. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Shame and hopelessness slowly deepen when repeated daily. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Compassion and forgiveness slowly strengthen healthier emotional responses. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more emotionally guarded or more emotionally healing over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny acts of forgiveness and honesty quietly reshape the brain and relationships.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Broken trust often affects friendships, teamwork, and emotional confidence. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Hurt feelings can quickly create defensiveness or avoidance. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional pain slowly weakens healthy communication and trust. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated dishonesty or resentment slowly damages relationships. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Many people hide emotional pain behind distractions instead of facing it honestly.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Emotional healing usually begins quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily honesty slowly rebuilds trust and emotional stability. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns safer and healthier emotional patterns. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Forgiveness and empathy slowly become easier through practice. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character, just like tiny stitches slowly repair a torn piece of fabric over time.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during emotional hurt or disappointment. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Honest emotions help the brain process pain more safely. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one truthful conversation matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Emotional healing usually develops slowly. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow, because growth loves consistency. Small, honest, and forgiving habits slowly strengthen emotional resilience.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Practice one small act of honesty or kindness today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. Even one calm response matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. Notice when hurt feelings try to control your behavior. 4. Adjust without quitting. Emotional healing usually grows through repeated small choices. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Small faithful habits slowly create stronger trust and emotional resilience. Remember, forgiveness and restoration often grow slowly, but small faithful choices still matter deeply over time. God stays close during emotional pain, rebuilding, and healing, especially when people keep moving forward honestly. Every small truthful and compassionate choice is helping your brain, emotions, and relationships grow stronger and wiser each day. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.